Good afternoon everyone. Today we the 9th standard are going to show the math skill and the topic is the 6 physical features of India. In fact, our country has all major physical features on earth. The mountains, the plateaus, the plains, the islands and the deserts. The main physical features of India have major economy and climate.
Islands are covered with waters in 4 sides. There is 2 island groups in India, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep Island is also known as Coral Island. Andaman Nicobar Island is also known as Bay Island. Thank you.
The major physical divisions of India are the Himalayan mountains, coastal plains, the peninsular plateau, the northern plains, the Indian desert and the islands.
Peninsular Plateau. It is stable and composed of all the crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed by breaking and drifting of Gondwana land.
Northern Plains. It is covered with fertile alluvial soil. It has favorable climate, aquatic water supply. So Northern Plains are thickly populated area.
Kaveri is the capital of Lakshadweep. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Indian physical features are as diverse as they are taking in composing towering mountain, fertile plain and deserts. In the desert, it has arid climate, little vegetation and undulating sandy plains. Luni is the only river in this region.
Himalayan mountain is mostly composed of strong sedimentary rocks. It stretches over northern bodies of India and the most rugged mountain and areas of the world.
Coastal plains. It is lying along the Bay of Bengal. It is consists of 2 sections, the northern circus and Coromandel coast. It is sandwiched between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal.
Thank you for watching our activity. Hope you all like it.